Hello everyone, welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Spring is here, so I thought it would be fun to make some lovely flowers for the dollhouse. Whether you're making them for table arrangements or bouquets, these will surely be a beautiful addition to your dollhouse. All right, let's get crafting. For this project, you'll need colored paper, a foam sheet and stylist, tweezers, wire cutter, coated floral wire, a sharp tip scissors, and watercolor pens. And here are the punches I'm going to be using. To start, take the 6-petal flower punch and punch out 1, 2, 3 pieces. Cut between each petal. Then use your foam sheet and stylus to shape the petals. Push each petal down, then flip it over and press down the center. Cut a 2-inch piece of floral wire and punch out a green snowflake. Use a push pin to make a hole in the center of the snowflake. Push it onto the stem and glue. Set it aside to dry. Using the tiny flower, punch out 2 shapes for the center out of gray paper. Clip all the petals in half. And color the tips black. Punch out a circle using a tiny hole punch. Color it black if you're not using black paper. Use your stylus to shape each piece and glue it together. Let dry. Glue the 3 layers of petals together. And glue the center on top. Then you'll glue the flower to the stem. For a large petal, I use this Hydrangea punch. Punch out 3. Then I use my watercolor pen to paint the petals on the front and the back of each. Make another stem and another center. Shape the petals. And glue them together. Add the center and glue to the stem. Then let dry. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Poppy Seed Mini. Look in the description box below for the links to my other flower videos. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have fun crafting!